Arancini with Venere rice and salmon are a gourmet and modern reinterpretation of classic Sicilian arancini. Venere rice, with its characteristic black color and slightly nutty aroma, pairs well with the delicacy of salmon. It is a dish that blends Sicilian tradition with contemporary influences and ingredients not typical of Italian cuisine. Here is the recipe. Ingredients: 250 grams Venere rice, 500 milliliters vegetable broth, 200 grams smoked salmon, 100 grams pizza mozzarella, 50 grams butter, 1 shallot, 50 grams grated cheese, Parmesan or Parmigiano, 2 eggs, breadcrumbs as needed, flour as needed, seed oil for frying, salt and pepper as needed, chives for garnish optional. Preparation: start by toasting the Venere rice in a saucepan with a drizzle of oil and the finely chopped shallot. Once the grains are well toasted, add the hot vegetable broth a little at a time, cooking your rice about 30 to 35 minutes, as if you were preparing a risotto. When the rice is cooked, remove it from the heat and add the butter and grated cheese. Mix well and let the mixture cool, preferably on a baking tray to speed up the process. Meanwhile, cut the smoked salmon and mozzarella into small cubes. Take a portion of the now cold rice, form a sort of hollow, and inside place some cubes of salmon and mozzarella. Close the arancino well, forming a ball or a cone, depending on the tradition you want to follow. Coat the arancini first in flour, then in the beaten egg, and finally in breadcrumbs, making sure to cover them completely. Fry the arancini in hot oil, 180 degrees Celsius, until they become golden and crispy. Drain them on absorbent paper to remove excess oil, and serve them hot, garnished with a bit of chopped chives if desired. Trivia: arancini are one of the most famous street foods in Sicily, traditionally filled with ragu, peas, and caciocavallo. The variant with Venere rice and salmon is a modern reinterpretation that plays with different flavors and colors, while maintaining the original spirit of this delicious street food.